Hello to my many fans. This is me again, Richard Parker. I am here at the home of my parents, my human parents, Alan and Jojo Bean. Alan makes me a little nervous. He's always trying to film me, but I am not liking that. I like it better when I can sit with the Jojo Bean and there is no Alan there at all. Now I'm waving to the camera. Hello. Hello to my many fans. And a shout out to Strap Boy. I am thinking of you often. And I hope you are feeling better. Oh yes, and to Vincent Valentino, thank you for bringing my mistress the milk chocolate. She gave me a little taste and it was quite delightful. Makes my ears go back flat in my head. Look at, he's trying to film me again. He is always shoving that camera up my nose. And, oh, what is he doing now? Oh, I wish he would get that away from me. I keep trying to put my nose print on it because I know he will not like that. But he never stops. That is all I have to say. Going to sleep now. Oh. Now what is he doing? He is rubbing my head. Everything he does to me is too hard. I don't like it so hard. Take your hand away. Now you have ruffled my feathers on the back of my head. Ed, sorry. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it, I say! Edit! Arrêtez-vous! Laisse-moi tranquille! Ooh, now you're making me sick. I feel to throw up. Bye, I don't want to talk anymore. My throat is sore. I have a mouse in my throat. The black lung.